Searching for a 2003 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: central locking, an alarm system, a CD player, ventilated disc brakes, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Call today to schedule a test drive.